Look at the wing on the Super Bee up here. It's kind of goofy.
Kind of low, no?
Good emblem.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, it's a little goofy. It looks like a Mustang wing.
Yeah.
I'd be surprised if it was taken off a Mustang. Nice little Thunderbird. Nice little purple Mopar. Now, ooh, what's that?
What, this thing?
Yeah, Skylark.
Impala, no?
Impala, Skylark. Body styles are all the same. I'd drive that.
Oh, yeah. We're not going anywhere. Oh, yeah. Old diesel Dodge.
Oh yeah.
I hate this wind and this dust. Look at this directional signal.
Yeah. Flat black bus.
Watching your video. Look at this thing. 31,000.
Ooh.
God, mudness.
I don't see you getting anything close to that for it. I want that Nova. Purple or not, it looks awesome.
I think we can get by there. Yeah, I think we can.
Where are we going to park?
I don't know. Let's go find a spot kind of away from the dust and stuff.
Like where?
I don't know. We usually park where that Pacer is.
There's that Impala or Bel Air wagon I want.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this little cart.
Yeah, that's a nice little one.
It's low. I'd drive that. Well, now to think of it, I'd drive anything. As long as it's safe and I wouldn't kill myself off of it.
I don't know. I guess it should be safe right here, right?
Yeah.